everyone, this is KJBO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa na natin ito ng reaction video. And I'm really excited na makilala ang magbabattles for today's video, which is came from Tropa ni Pablo. Oh my God, alam mo, from the past, the battles from the first week and second week, slay talaga. Number one for me is the Tropa ni Pablo. Actually, I didn't expect that at all. Kasi in-expect ko talaga nasa kay Stel. Kasi si Stel yung may, alam mo yun, feeling ko lahat na magagaling nasa kay Stel. Tapos siya yung may experience kesa kay Pablo. Pero pagdating sa pagkanta ng mga artist, my God, grabe ang mga artist ni Pablo. Sa totoo lang. So I won't take it longer. Let's all watch this.
Na ako ipakilala.
Tropa ni Pablo. And ang mga choice ng kanta ni Pablo ang ganda.
Napakalupit na energy. Siyempre, tawagin na natin si Christina, Samantha, and Sarah. Let's
Babae.
go!
Puro babae.
My group mates, they sing very nice and I wish I could copy them. And even if I
Cutie.
don't pass,
Ang cutie
and my
naman.
friends do, I am still proud of them.
And don't forget that you have each other on the stage so you can get energy from each other. Para hindi kayo kabahan. If kinakabahan man kayo, try to help each other.
Si Pablo, pag magsalita, parang baby niya talaga.
Simple nod or try to look at each other. Malaking help siya para mas mapagaan yung performance.
Coach Pablo is very nice and
Mga Inglesera?
He
Mga
gives us
Inglesera
really
pala
good
to.
advice in singing and so pogi.
Ay, so pogi.
Sometimes I get starstruck while
So
singing
pogi.
when he's in front of me.
Pogi
That's
naman
why
kasi
I have a
talaga.
really hard time.
Seryoso, ang pogi niya.
I know when you perform on stage, baka ma-overhype or ma-overwhelm kayo. Just try to be calm and think about how you practice the song. Magmawawala yung connection nyo dun sa song kasi kapag nawala kayo, you go overboard, mababago yung emotion, yung performance nyo. So, just keep that in mind. Yun lang, congratulations, ang galing. So, nakakatawa.
Dati gumagawa ko nito. Pero na-realize ko nakakapagod pala magpit-pit ng tansan. Alam mo ginagawa ko? Yung ano na lang, yung bote, tapos nilagyan ko ng bato.
What's your wish? What's your Christmas wish?
I wish I could buy a gingerbread house.
A gingerbread house.
Yeah, like you can make it. And I also want a mini chocolate Christmas tree. I want to the three of us to be successful in the future. Yeah.
Good luck, kids. Good luck.
Okay.
3 stars and we're ready for the battle.
3 stars. Excited ako sa kakantay nila. Ano yan? Young girl. It's the climb. The climb.
Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. Because
Okay.
there's always gonna be another mountain. You're always gonna wanna make it move. Always
Oh my God, magaling yun. Oh my God, siya din. Wow. The harmonies. The harmonies. Did you hear that? Yung harmonies? Oh yes. Oh, the placement. Alto yung pinakamatangkad. Bongga, nag-adlib siya. Bongga naman pala. Okay. Okay.
God! Coach, kamusta naman? Kamusta naman sila para sa'yo, Coach Tel?
Grabe naman yun. Ang hirap pumili dito sa tatlong to be honest. Kasi, alam mo yun, iba-iba sila eh. Parang iba't ibang style.
True.
Siyempre,
Iba-ibang
klase
style
ng
talaga.
songs din nila. Pero, yung pagkaka-interpret nila ng song, iba-iba rin eh.
The
Siyempre,
climb.
iba-iba sila ng age. And
Miley
iba-iba
Cyrus,
yung
right?
pagkakaintindi nila dun sa kanta.
All of you have different styles. Iba-iba yung klase ng pagkanta nyo. Pero may isa akong nakita na pare-pareho kayo. All of you were so innocent. Sobrang inosente ng pagkanta nyo. It was so dreamy. Kaya, wala, tama. Pablo, good luck na lang.
Good luck
tol.
talaga kay Bobby.
Kaya naman ngayon, sino kina Christina, Seren at Samantha ang pipiliin ni Coach Pablo?
Ayan na.
Kayo,
Sino?
sino kaya sa tingin ninyo? Sino sa tingin
Sino?
nyo? I-share nyo nga po yung hula nyo and
Ay,
please
babalik
use
pa.
our hashtag for tonight.
Ano ba
Makikita
yan?
nyo now on your screens para sabay-sabay nating abangan ang desisyon ni Coach Pablo.
Sino kaya? Feeling nyo?
Magpapaliw agad ang The Voice
Alright.
Hits.
Feeling nyo guys, sino? Feeling nyo? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Tropa ni Pablo, The Climb. My goodness gracious. Ang ganda ng harmonization nila. Though sa lahat ng grupong kumanta, I have to be honest with you, sa lahat ng grupong kumanta sa Team Pablo, okay naman to siya. Kaso nga lang, how do I say this? Magaling naman sila eh. Pero for me kasi mas magaling yung first two groups na kumanta. Yun yung, yun yung, what do you call this, 2 cents ko dito sa performance nila. But magaling sila, okay? This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!